Hi everyone, I'm back with another tutorial video. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can recover Snapchat without email or phone number. In case if it happened to forgot your login detail or your password and now you're not able to log in into your account, and also none of your information such as email or phone number is access to your Snapchat account, so this video will help you on how to recover it without using email or phone number. So for that, make sure to watch the video till the end. So for this method, open up your web browser. So for now, I'm using Google. As the web page loads, on the search box, type in support.snapchat.com, and also you can find the link on my description box. On the other page, you have the result, and right on top you can see support.snapchat.com. So you'll have to tap on it. Next, you will land inside Snapchat Support Center. So over here you can see right at the bottom there is Contact Us. You'll have to tap on it. Next page, you will land inside Support Center, and here you can see there are multiple options. So from here you'll have to tap on I can't access my account, which is on the second step. So once again you'll have to select. So for now you'll have to tap on I forgot my password. So as soon as you tap on I forgot my password, once again the page expands. Over here you can see there is a statement. So it says that if you have a verified phone number or email address associated with your account, you can reset your password from the Snapchat login screen. So for now, as we are not using our email address, neither our phone number, so what you have to do is you'll have to tap on yes, which is in the lower left corner. So as soon as you tap on yes, under it you'll have to provide your information. So first of all, enter your username. Once you're done entering your username, for now you'll have to enter the new email address in which you want to receive the reset link. So then enter the email address. So under it you'll have to provide your phone number. So then enter the new phone number in which you want to receive the OTP. In the last step, you have what information should we know. So over here you'll have to directly write a message to the Snapchat Support Center. So then type in the message. You can type in the message such as hi Snapchat Support Center, I forgot my password and I don't have email nor phone number connected to it. You can send the reply on following email address. Over here I've provided an alternative email address in which they can reply to me. Once you're done typing the message, scroll down and then tap on send, which is right at the bottom. And over here you can see that the message has been sent, and all you have to do is you'll have to wait patiently for them to reply. And that is how you can recover your Snapchat without using your phone or your email address. That is all for this video. In case if the video was helpful, then make sure to like, share, subscribe and also hit the bell icon. Thank you for watching.